Hey everyone, this is Kevin from PTE Desk and I'm back with another video. Today we are diving into the repeat sentence task in the speaking module. It's a big scorer for both speaking and listening. So, what's this task about? You'll hear an audio with a sentence, usually between 8 and 16 words. Once the audio ends, your recording kicks in and you need to repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it. This task contributes to your speaking and listening scores. How's it graded? They look at three things: fluency, pronunciation, and content. Fluency is all about rhythm, not rushing too fast or dragging too slow, just a natural pace. Pronunciation means saying the words clearly. And content? That's the tricky one. Content is key in repeat sentence because while fluency and pronunciation earn you speaking points, content impacts your listening score. To max out your listening, you have got to nail the content. Here's the breakdown. One repeat sentence is worth 13 points, 5 for fluency, 5 for pronunciation, and 3 for content. As per the official Pearson guidelines, to get a full 3 out of 3 on content, you must repeat 100% of the sentence in the right order. If you get over 50% but less than 100%, it is 2 out of 3. And over 25% but under 50%, your score is 1 out of 3. But here's what I have learned from teaching PT for many years. You don't need 100% of the sentence to get 3 out of 3. I have found that repeating about 80% of the sentence clearly and confidently can still land you the 3 out of 3. Trust me on this. I have tested it over and over, and my students back me up too. Note this: to score 3 out of 3 on content, 80% is enough if you deliver it well. Students often ace fluency and pronunciation but trip over content. They forget the sentence or can't recall it fully. So, I'm going to share some strategies now to help you retain and repeat the most content. First step: memorize the sentence. The audio won't throw random words at you, it will be a meaningful sentence. Don't bother writing it down. Instead, focus on grasping its meaning, understand it, recall as much as you can, and say it clearly and confidently. Let me give you an example. Imagine the audio being played is: we have dedicated nearly 25 years to studying and understanding the subject. But when I repeat it, I say, we have dedicated nearly 25 years to studying and I am very happy. Notice what happened? I couldn't recall and understanding that subject. So I added, and I'm very happy. Why the extra bit? It's a filler. It keeps my fluency smooth. Here's the deal with fillers. When you are short on content, don't freeze up. Some students go, we have dedicated nearly 25 years and studying lots of pauses, hesitation, fumbling to remember. They lose fluency and pronunciation points along with the content score. Another student might say, we have dedicated nearly 25 years to studying and I am very happy. Both miss some content, but the second one stays clear and confident. No big fluency or pronunciation hit. The first might score 7 out of 13, but the second one could get 12 out of 13. What I am saying is, get the sentence's meaning. Repeat what you recall clearly and confidently. And if you are missing parts, make something up and toss in a filler. Like, and I am very happy. It won't hurt your score and keeps your flow strong. Now, should you take notes during the audio? Not the best idea unless you're super quick. If you do, don't write everything. Just note down the first 4 or 5 words, then rely on memory for the rest. That gives you a solid start. Whatever you do, focus on the sentence's meaning. If you get that, fluency and content will follow. No one perfectly repeats a 15-word sentence every time. But if you hit 70 to 80% with confidence and clarity, you're good. Out of 12 repeat sentence, nail 7 or 8 at 90 to 100% and the rest at 70 to 80%. And you're looking at 80 plus score easily. Here's my advice. Understand the sentence, repeat what you can clearly and confidently, and if you are stuck, add and I'm very happy and move on. Before your test, take a free full score mock test from our website ptdash.com to see where you stand and what to tweak. That's all for this video. Hope it helped. If you need more tips, drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe PT Desk for more videos.